Hey everybody that doesn't know me, my name's Jordy Johnson at Carving Fusion here. What we're going to talk about in this quick video today is your Dremel flex shaft handpiece overheating. Okay, this is a brand new one and they do overheat, guys. This brand new one, even for me, is overheating. It's getting too hot to hold in your hand when you're carving. Okay, and you see I don't even have an aggressive burr on here. So let me show you how I myself, in my opinion, fix this problem, okay? So you got your flex shaft on your Dremel 4000, okay? You pull, got the whole attachment off, the flex shaft off the Dremel. Okay, now you pull the flex shaft out. So, and you got a paper towel or a rag or something like that. And you wipe this down. Okay? There's not that much grease on here, but what's happened is all the grease has gone down into your handpiece, all right? That's what's happened, and that's my opinion, and I'm pretty sure I know I'm right. I wouldn't be giving my opinion. So let's put it back in there, put it back on here, and like I said, this is just going to be a quick little video because I get asked this question all the time. So now what I'm going to do, okay, is I'm going to hold my Dremel up this way. I can't show and film, right? But I'm going to hold it up this way, and I'm going to hold my handpiece. So the Dremel's going to be lower, and the handpiece is going to be higher, okay? And I'm just going to run it. I'm going to run it with the handpiece higher for 5 minutes. Okay? Because running it with the handpiece higher and the Dremel base lower, the motor, you're allowing all the grease that's built up in here to run back down into the flex shaft. Because when you're carving like this and your Dremel's higher, all the grease is coming down and it's sitting inside your handpiece. That's why these things overheat, okay? So again, put your handpiece higher, let this motor hang down lower, and run it for a good 3 minutes. That myself fixes the overheating problem in the handpieces. Thank you.